Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get School.Fight on iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, it fully works. So if you guys want to play this game on your phone, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So this is super weird, but it actually works. So if you guys are interested, all you have to do is go to the website hexmods.com, which has tons of modded apps, and you're going to see School.Fight. If you don't see it guys, just search it up. And once you press on it guys, you're just going to press the download button and it's going to start down. So before it downloads guys, you are going to have to do a verification. This is just where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store and they're completely free. So let's just wait for this to load and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see right here, it loaded up and it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the School.Fight. So basically you just have to download 2 of these apps. Now what they do is they don't read the instructions. So each app has its own instructions. You have to read those and do them. So as you can see, it says complete 2 more offers, so make sure you do that. So Alibaba, for instance, is down and run for 30 seconds. So I just press tap to install. It brings me to the App Store. I'm on an Android phone, so it's actually going to bring me to the Play Store. But then I just download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Now some of the other ones, like download, make a 30-second call, they could be different. Now depending on what country you're in, you're probably going to apps anyway. But just do them and you're going to be good to go. So after you do that, you will get the School.Fight for iOS and Android guys. It actually works. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yes, it's super weird. So yeah, I'm a big mobile gamer, so I'm always trying to find out how to play PC games on mobile. So this actually works guys, as you can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works guys and it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later and peace out.